The Commissioner for Older People, Wales, Act 2006, C30, is an act of the Parliament of the United Kingdom that establishes the office of Commissioner for Older People in Wales. The report and recommendations of the Welsh Assembly Government's Advisory Group on a Commissioner for Older People in Wales, published in March 2004, is the precursor of the Act. Section 23, Commencement. The Commissioner for Older People, Wales, Act 2006, Commencement, Order 2006, SI 2006-2699, Watts 231, C92, was made under this section. See also. References. Halsbury's Statutes, external links. The Commissioner for Older People, Wales, Act 2006, as amended from the National Archives. The Commissioner for Older People, Wales, Act 2006, as originally enacted from the National Archives. Explanatory notes to the Commissioner for Older People, Wales, Act 2006.